Johnny's vlog. Just chilling here, you know. Just stressing out here, man. Like really, this hurricane is really destroying everything, man. Just look at this. Look at this. You see the drizzle? You see the drizzle effect out here? You see it? Like, no, do you really see this shit? Like, you see this shit? This is what I call serious. This is what I call hell. Hell. I mean, just look. The power is completely gone in the crib. It's gone. I have nothing right now, nothing. I don't know how I'm handling this at all, man. I mean, I tried to be prepared, you know, like shower capped out, trying not to fuck up my perm, man, you know, like, I can't. In the words of Wiz Khalifa, if I die today, remember me like Jimi Hendrix. Butt ass naked, covered in all bad bitches. I'll keep you guys posted if I stay alive here, man. Johnny out.